Pro Bono Australia crew, it's Claire DeZero here, and I'm excited to bring you another mindset hack this month. My organisation's called the Top 5 Movement, and we're created just for people like you. People that are leaders or working in generous and change-making careers who want to have a big impact. You want to be able to have a stronger mindset, stronger mental health, stronger resilience, and stronger leadership impact so that you can make more of a difference with ease and grace and confidence. And this month I wanted to share with you another mindset hack around the level of control that you have in any single day. Any day can be delivered in many different ways. You can get what you need to done in many, many different ways. You will have all been around long enough to know that. But today I want to introduce to you the idea of setting a focus-based goal. Setting a focus for how you want to feel when you're delivering your work. When you think about your work and getting decisions across the line, and when you're walking into the office in the morning, or you're about to face a client, or you're about to handle a new challenge or problem or explore a new idea, how is it that you most want to feel? Is it confident, calm, purposeful? Is it a sense of focus, a sense of determination, a sense of joy? How is it that you most want to feel? And this is a super important question, because what it does is it actually gives us clues around things we need to do more of and less of. And it also trains our brain's filter to notice when we are experiencing these feelings so that we can add more of them into our day. Now, this is not just about feeling great and not delivering anything. This is absolutely about delivering things better than you ever have before, because you're being fueled and you're tuned in and you're focused and you're present to how you actually want to feel as you're doing this work. Why did you sign up to do this work in the first place? And setting a goal like this helps you really stay aligned to that. Next month, I want to dive into some more questions to help you kind of take this feeling and this focus-based feeling even further. But in the meantime, I want to just share with you this to feel list. It's a little bit of a guide. It's a PDF that you can print out as many times as you like, and the link is below. And it can actually help you really start to explore this idea of focusing on a feeling as you deliver the work you need to do. Hats off to you for the work you do. That's why we're here. We're here for you. So if you have any questions at all, please do let us know. Otherwise, have fun experimenting with this, and I can't wait to take it a bit further with you next month. Thanks.